Today's recipe is for a Butter-Pecan Blondie. Perfect for summer entertaining. Anyone says to you, bring a dessert, bring this dessert. So good. And really easy, like all bar cookies are. And it makes quite a few because you bake it in a 9 by 13 inch pan. You want to toast and then chop up 1.5 cups of pecans. Then you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1.5 teaspoons of coarse salt. Whisk those together. There's no leavener in this, so it's a very dense, kind of chewy blondie. In this bowl, I have 2 sticks of unsalted butter that's melted, and to that add 2 cups of light brown sugar. The light brown sugar is going to add to the chewiness of this blondie and give it sort of a caramelly taste, which is so, so delicious. To that add 2 large eggs. The thing that's great about recipes like this is how easy they are to throw together. If you have all the ingredients, they take like 5 minutes to make, and they're really delicious. Very, very good. This is a tablespoon of rum. That's optional. If you don't want to, you can add more vanilla or just leave it out. And a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. The rum really does underscore that caramelly flavor that you get, but I understand some people are not into adding more alcohol to their baked goods. Very often vanilla is alcohol-based, but you can get ones that are not alcohol-based if that's a problem for you. Add your dry ingredients. When your batter is smooth, stir in half of your pecans, so 3/4 of a cup of the chopped pecans. You want to save the other 3/4 of a cup for the top. This is a 9 by 13 inch pan. I've buttered it and floured it so that the blondies will come out easier when they're done. And just get your batter in there. Spread your batter evenly into the pan. Sprinkle with the remaining 3/4 of a cup of pecans. These will get additional toastiness by baking on top of your blondie. And then 2 tablespoons of additional light brown sugar. This forms just like a little bit of a crust. Not a full-on crust, but adds to the crunchiness and like a little final bite of sweetness. It's really nice. Then you get these into your 350-degree oven and bake until a cake tester inserted in the center comes out with moist crumbs. That'll take 22 to 25 minutes. When the blondies are completely cool, cut them into squares. And I can see on the top of this that it has that crackly blondie/brownie topping, which is really appealing. I feel like I'm always seeking that when I'm making a dessert like this. Cut it into squares. I'm gonna cut these into like 2-inch squares, I guess. You can freeze some if you want to. If this makes too many, you want to freeze a couple, go right ahead. But they're dense and chewy with their crackly top. I mean, what else do you want from a blondie? Oh good. Caramelly, pecan-y. It's the ultimate summer dessert. You should really give this one a try. If you like recipes like this and you want more, make sure to click like and subscribe because we have plenty more where this came from.